SSEUREGI. SSEUREGI. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about the word SSEUREGI. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 335. SSEUREGI. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is S, second syllable is RE, and third syllable is GI. Pronounce it with me. SSEUREGI. SSEUREGI. The word SSEUREGI means trash. Again, this is the Korean term for trash. Now, how do we write SSEUREGI in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable, S, we need to draw first a sangsiyot or double siyot character followed by an U character. Next, for the second syllable, RE, we need to draw first a real character followed by an E character. And for the last syllable, GI, we need to draw first a giyok character followed by an E character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to write SSEUREGI in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned SSEUREGI. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 325 to 334. But don't forget our word for today, word number 335, SSEUREGI, which means trash. The first word for our review is word number 334, it's Chilwol, which means July. Next word is Yorihata, which means to cook. Next word is Isangada, which means to be strange. Next word is Pyollo, which means not really. Next word is Suk, which means porridge. Next word is Kapchagi, which means that was sudden. Next word is Yori, which means cooking. Next word is Suda, which means to write. Next word is television, which means television or TV. And the last word for our review is word number 325, palda, which means to sell. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.